Good morning, teacher. My name is Daniel Ruiz Catonacire. This evening I will talk about my friend. His name is Percy, and his nationality is Avril, 20. He is 16 years old. He is from Pampamarca. He is actually strong and intelligent. My favorite room is the studying room and it is next to the road. At there you get a fit good tables are of different colors, red, blue, and other colors. In top lesson, I study multi at summit. I watch the game of the days. They come versions. Name is Cristiano Ronaldo. I is lines name is A B I A R O. Es nationality is February 5. His style, actor and talent. I live in a house. I have root like a bedroom. Levit root at days at my brother and I live in South Watson. I left everything about my room. There is not I don't live. Thanks.